Best crypto to buy now December 18, Astar, Stacks, Injective. Disclosure: crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. By using this website, you agree to our terms and conditions. We may utilize affiliate links within our content and receive commission. With the Astar price surging over 136% shortly after its listing on Upbit, Stacks experiencing a surge of over 80% in the past month due to upgrade hype, and Injective once again making the push to new highs, are these three some of the best cryptos to buy now? For those seeking overlooked Bitcoin alternatives, meanwhile, Bitcoin ETF Token and TG.Casino lead as promising crypto presale options worth checking. Best crypto to buy now in the news. Astar's utility token Astar was listed on Upbit, potentially increasing the cryptocurrency's market exposure. What's so special about December 18th? It's the day Astar produced its first ever block as a live network. Happy birthday at Astar Network. 2 years. Besides the official Upbit listing, we have some other presents ready for today. Pick twitter.com/jkjupquip. Maarten Astar. At Henskinsm December 18, 2023. Following the listing, the Astar price experienced a surge of about 136%, jumping to approximately 14 cents, before correcting to the current levels of around 975 cents. Astar has climbed nearly 155% over the past year and has increased by over 51% in the past month alone. Stacks has recently emerged as one of the top gainers among the leading 50 cryptocurrencies, with a notable 17% over the past week and an 84% rise over the past month. With these gains, Stacks now stands as the 43rd most valuable cryptocurrency by market cap. The Stacks network anticipates the Nakamoto upgrade in the first quarter of 2024, which is expected to bolster network security and speed up block generation. Meanwhile, Injective Protocol's native token, Inj, has witnessed a notable rally this year, culminating in an all-time high of $34.642 on December 15. The token's price has soared over 2,440% to its current level since the beginning of the year. Despite some signs of short-term consolidation, market sentiment around INJ remains bullish, with potential price targets around $40, assuming the token's support level of around $20 holds firm. Amidst the performance of established cryptocurrencies, new opportunities have arisen in the form of Bitcoin ETF Token and TG.Casino. These crypto presales present fresh avenues for market participants to potentially diversify their crypto portfolios. As the market continues to evolve, Astar, Stacks, Injective, Bitcoin ETF Token, and TG.Casino are currently positioned as some of the best crypto to buy now. With the cryptocurrency market's dynamic nature, these tokens offer varying potential for investors and traders monitoring the cryptocurrency space. Astar price surges 136% on Upbit exchange listing. A closer look. The recent surge in Astar price, following its listing on the Upbit exchange, has captured the attention of investors and traders alike. The cryptocurrency soared to a year-to-date high of 23 cents at one point, marking an impressive 136% increase before experiencing a significant retracement. Despite this pullback, the Astar price has maintained a notable gain of 24.52% for the day, positioning itself at around 975 cents. The technical indicators shed light on the ongoing momentum. The Astar price comfortably positions itself above the 20-day EMA 772 cents, 50-day EMA 693 cents, and 100-day EMA 629 cents, a bullish sequence signaling strength in the upward movement. Historically, prices sustaining above these exponential moving averages hint at a potential continuation of the trend, providing confidence to the bulls in the market. The RSI for Astar has soared to 74.27, indicating a market that may be overbought. Typically, such a high RSI reading might give traders pause, suggesting that a period of consolidation or a pullback could be on the horizon. However, it also reflects significant buying pressure, which could maintain the Astar price at its current levels or even propel it higher in the short term. The MACD histogram offers additional insights, now at 0.0013, a slight increase from yesterday's 0.0004. This subtle shift suggests an addition in the bullish momentum. Traders often look for more significant divergences in the MACD histogram to confirm a trend reversal, and as such, the current reading continues to support a bullish outlook. Resistance and support levels are crucial for traders to watch, however. The Astar price is nudging against immediate resistance in the range of 1,052 cents to 1,168 cents, alongside the reverse fib 0.786 level of 983 cents. A decisive breakout above this band could clear the path for further gains. Nonetheless, the earlier resistance range of 812 cents to 875 cents, matched with the reverse fib 0.618 level of 838 cents, is expected to transform into support thanks to the day's positive price action so far. Support levels underline the strength of the current trend, with immediate support now likely to be established around the 812 cents to 875 cents range. The 20-day EMA at 772 cents stands as the next line of defense, followed by an even more substantial support zone ranging from 707 cents to 756 cents. With these technical indicators in hand, traders could infer that while the Astar price exhibits signs of a potential consolidation due to the high RSI reading, the positive stance above the EMAs and the bullish MACD histogram value suggests the upward trend still has the vigor to continue. However, vigilance is warranted. Close monitoring of the aforementioned resistance and support levels will be key to navigating the next phases of the Astar price movement. Trading strategies should be flexible, ready to capitalize on a confirmed breakout or to mitigate risks should the Astar price face a reversal. SDX price rockets, set to break year-to-date highs. The SDX price has been charting a course for bullish territory, marking potentially its third consecutive day of gains. As it stands, SDX is trading around $1.1963, marking a leap of 13.29% so far today. The spotlight is on SDX as it edges closer to setting a new year-to-date high, possibly eclipsing the March peak of $1.3105. Technical indicators for stacks. SDX are painting a narrative of bullish momentum. The 20-day EMA of 9,627 cents, coupled with the 50-day EMA of 8,236 cents and the 100-day EMA of 7,225 cents, underscores a robust uptrend. The SDX price floating above these EMAs suggests that the asset is on a strong bullish footing, with the moving averages serving as a dynamic level of support. The RSI for SDX further attests to the building momentum, posting a healthy 67.83, up from yesterday's 61.30. Although the RSI is nearing the upper echelon of the neutral zone, it remains shy of the overbought threshold of 70, which means there could still be room for the SDX price to climb before investors should worry about a potential pullback due to overextension. Perhaps the most striking development in the SDX price technicals is the MACD histogram, which has flipped to 0.0064 from the previous day's 0.0030, indicating a bullish MACD crossover. Such a shift is often interpreted as a signal for a potential increase in buying pressure, further emboldening buyers to sustain or enter new positions. The current trading price of $1.1963 is not only a testament to the day's bullish sentiment but also a prelude to a potential challenge at the YTD swing high resistance levels ranging from $1.1733 to $1.3131. The SDX price, currently attempting to break through the ceiling, could find fertile ground for a rally should it succeed. Conversely, the immediate support zone for SDX lies between 9,846 cents to $1.96. This region, in confluence with the psychologically significant $1 mark and the Fib 0.382 level of 9,1974 cents, provides a strategic foothold for the SDX price. The ability of SDX to maintain above this zone may be decisive for the short-term trajectory of the asset. Given the bullish tilt of the technical indicators, SDX traders might consider strategies that capitalize on the current momentum. While the RSI has not yet signaled an overbought condition, it is prudent for market participants to remain vigilant as it approaches that zone. The MACD bullish crossover presents an additional positive signal, suggesting that maintaining or initiating long positions could be favored until the technical outlook suggests otherwise. In the immediate future, the SDX price could continue to benefit from the bullish technical setup, provided it successfully breaches the current resistance. A failure to do so, however, may lead to a retest of the immediate support levels. Traders should monitor these key levels closely, as a breach below support could signal a short-term trend reversal and necessitate a revaluation of bullish positions. INJ price shows strength despite slight retracement. The INJ price has recently retreated from its all-time high of $34.642 set on December 15, settling near the Fib 0.236 level of $29.71. Nonetheless, the INJ price is currently exhibiting resilience, trading at $33.07 and up by 7.91% so far today, indicating a potential continuation of its upward trajectory as it eyes a new all-time high. The 20-day EMA for the INJ price is positioned at $24.209, while above the 50-day and 100-day EMAs, which are at $19.303 and $15.458, respectively. This arrangement typically signals a strong bullish trend, with the INJ price maintaining a comfortable buffer above these key moving averages. The elevated distance between the current INJ price and its EMAs may also support the notion of a sustained uptrend in the short to medium term. An RSI reading of 84.27, climbing from the previous day's 81.54, indicates a highly bullish momentum for the INJ price but also suggests that the asset is approaching overbought territory. Such a high RSI often warrants caution, as it could precede a potential retracement if traders begin to believe the asset is overvalued and decide to take profits. The MACD histogram's value at 1.133, up from 1.105 the day before, aligns with the bullish sentiment, signaling a strong buying pressure as the gap between the MACD line and the signal line widens. This could further embolden bullish investors to push the INJ price towards uncharted territories. Looking at resistance levels, the INJ price has the immediate challenge of surpassing its current all-time high of $34.642. Beyond that, the extended fib levels of $38.268 euro, $236 and $41.113 euro, 382 represent the next psychological barriers that could influence trader sentiment and price action. On the support side, the INJ price is buoyed by a horizontal support zone that ranges from $28.359 to $29.573, corroborated by the fib 0.236 level of $29.71. This confluence of support could prove to be a robust platform for the INJ price, potentially absorbing selling pressure should a retracement occur. Given the strong uptrend indicated by the EMA values and the high RSI, traders might look to take advantage of any dips as buying opportunities. However, the elevated RSI also serves as a cautionary tale, signaling the potential for a near-term pullback. Investors should therefore consider setting stop losses to protect against sudden downturns, especially if the INJ price begins to falter below its immediate support levels. In the coming days, market participants will likely keep a close watch on the INJ price as it grapples with the dual forces of enthusiastic buying and the natural resistance met at all-time high levels. Should the INJ price decisively break above its current resistance, it could trigger a fresh influx of momentum buying. Conversely, a failure to hold above the support zone might indicate a short-term top, prompting a deeper correction. As always, traders should balance optimism with caution, aligning their strategies with both the technical indicators and the broader market sentiment. With Astar, STX, and INJ capturing the spotlight for their recent rallies, the crypto space remains filled with hidden gems waiting to be uncovered. The cryptoverse beyond Bitcoin. Overlooked Bitcoin alternatives for savvy investors. While Bitcoin continues to dominate the headlines, investors should also look past the hype and identify up-and-coming blockchain projects with promising capabilities before they take off. Rather than chasing established cryptos with inflated valuations, the real opportunities lie in uncovering hidden gems early in their developmental cycles before mass adoption. 2 under-the-radar cryptos worth evaluating closely are Bitcoin ETF Token and TG.Casino. Securing a position early on through presale participation provides maximum upside exposure in these formative growth stages, though not without risks. However, presale investment in strong projects with robust use cases can deliver potential returns down the road. Rather than sticking with established brands, forward-thinking crypto investors will search below the surface to identify promising ventures still flying under the radar. Uncovering these Bitcoin alternatives early and discerning their disruptive potential is the key to capitalizing on the crypto growth trajectory. As crypto continues to gain mainstream traction, exciting breakthroughs lie ahead. However, the biggest gains will go to those who spot the hidden disruptors before they capture widespread attention. Bitcoin ETF frenzy sees ETF token presale raise $4 million. Is it the best crypto to buy now? The possibility of the SEC approving a spot Bitcoin exchange-traded fund ETF has created significant demand for a new presale token seeking to capitalize on the impending ETF frenzy. The Bitcoin ETF token has raised over $4.74 million so far as eager traders buy up the Ethereum-based coin before it lists on major decentralized exchanges. The presale will conclude once the fundraising goal of $5,059,485 is met, and with the presale currently in its 10th stage, fewer than $350,000 worth of $BTCF tokens remain available for purchase at the discounted base price of 68 cents. The much-anticipated debut of a hash Bitcoin hash ETF by BlackRock might reshape the hash crypto landscape, drawing in institutional interest and sparking a fresh chapter in the market. The last phase of hash Bitcoin ETF is currently in full swing. Keep an eye out for further news. Pick twitter.com/TRFCW30 NINIOU. BTCF token at BTCF token December 18, 2023. The project's one-of-a-kind tokenomics are designed to reward holders when major ETF-related milestones are achieved. Burn mechanisms will reduce token supply at each key event, including SEC approval, official ETF launch, and targets for trading volume and assets under management. As supply shrinks due to the burns, the scarcity price of remaining tokens will rise. Additionally, the transaction tax decreases by 1% from the initial 5% rate at each of the first 5 milestones. These milestones are $BTC, hitting $100 million in trading volume, SEC approval of a spot Bitcoin ETF, the launch of the first spot ETF assets reaching $1 billion, and Bitcoin's price closing above $100. Speculators forecast possible short-term returns if a spot Bitcoin ETF notably expands the scope of crypto investing. In the long term, countries adopting Bitcoin as a reserve asset against inflation could also boost gains. SRC equals https://I com/roman6/id/hq default. JPG alt equals width equals 480 height equals 360 iframe title equals BTC ETF token launching soon new tanks crypto for 2024. Width equals 640 height equals 360 SRC equals https://www youtube.com/embed/4ocvbow feature equals own frame border equals 0 allow equals accelerometer autoplay clipboard write encrypted media gyroscope picture-in-picture web share allow full screen /iframe. Crypto investors can still participate in the presale by connecting their wallet on the Bitcoin ETF token website and purchasing tokens with ETH, BNB, Matic, or ASTR. With the presale price still accessible, the Bitcoin ETF token offers a compelling way to gain exposure to the monumental crypto investment shift that may unfold if the SEC approves a spot Bitcoin ETF. TG.Casino. The best crypto to buy now for blockchain casino exposure. The Telegram-based crypto casino TG.Casino has raised over $4.49 million so far in its ongoing $TGC token presale. With nearly 90% of the allotted 40% token supply already sold, the presale is on pace to hit its hard cap of $5 million shortly. Whale alert: someone recently bought about $100 worth of TGCCU at $4.5 million in a little while. Pic twitter.com/JeffreyQLtwoW on TG.Casino at TG.Casino December 18, 2023. According to the project, player deposits have exceeded $4.5 million since its launch. The Telegram-based gambling platform currently boasts nearly 3,000 users and over 11,000 channel members. Players have wagered more than $45 million on the site to date. The presale offers part of the total supply of $100 million TGC at increasing prices, currently 19 cents and rising by 5 cents every 5 days. Major whales have recently jumped in to secure TGC at current low prices before the presale sells out. Their large investments signal strong confidence in the project among crypto investors. TG.Casino intends to be a top blockchain-based casino and gaming ecosystem. The project holds a gambling license in Curaçao and has passed audits certifying its legitimacy. Unlike competitors, TG.Casino offers fee-free staking rewards of up to 146% APY on purchased TGC tokens. More than 75% of all sold tokens have already been staked, highlighting strong engagement from the community. As presale demand rapidly accelerates toward the hard cap, crypto analysts tout TG.Casino's TGC token is potentially the best crypto to buy now for those seeking exposure to a breakout in the blockchain gaming sector. Its staking rewards, bonuses, and other features give TG.Casino has notable advantages over rivals. Visit TG.Casino now. Disclaimer: crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. You could lose all of your capital. Enter your email for our free daily newsletter or a quick 3-minute read about today's crypto news. Sign up. The site is protected by reCAPTCHA and the Google privacy policy in terms of service apply. SRC equals https://sim co/p/ml300 JPEG alt equals image class equals imgid equals newsletter pop-up